In the heart of Budapest, there's a place that seems to exist outside of time, a pocket of pure decadence hidden behind an elegant facade. What's something people don't know about the city's legendary New York Café? It's that this isn't just a coffee shop. It's a fairy tale you can step into. A living, breathing museum where every corner tells a story. Let me show you a truly dreamy weekend stop. The moment you arrive, the world outside fades away. You step onto polished marble floors that reflect the golden light from above. Your eyes are drawn upward, past towering columns to gilt ceilings and magnificent frescoes that seem to dance in the air. And then you notice the staff. Waiters who move with a cinematic grace, their presence part of the performance. This place was born in the late 19th century, a grand literary salon where poets, writers, and artists gathered to debate and dream. You can still feel those echoes, the creative energy infused into the very walls. Now, a quick tip. This fairy tale is a popular one. It's wise to book ahead, especially for a weekend visit, or be prepared for a queue that is, in itself, a testament to the magic inside. Dress smart casual. You'll want to feel part of the elegance. Once seated, the ritual begins. If you're a purist, order the signature espresso. It arrives on a silver tray, a tiny, intense demi-tasse cup holding a liquid treasure crowned with a perfect hazelnut crema. It's served with a theatrical flair that makes the simple act of drinking coffee feel like an event. Or indulge in their famous hot chocolate, a velvety, decadent concoction that's more like a dessert in a cup. And the pastries, they aren't just sweets, they are architectural marvels. Each cake and flaky creation is an essay in texture and flavor, displayed like jewels in a case. Find a seat by one of the grand windows. In the morning, the light is soft, perfect for a quiet breakfast as you watch the city's iconic yellow trams glide by. The gentle hum of history is in every clink of porcelain. Mid-morning becomes an indulgent pause for people watching, accompanied by the soundtrack of hushed conversations and the live pianist, whose melodies drift up to the frescoed ceilings. By afternoon, the room is alive with an energized, caffeinated buzz. As evening approaches, the light shifts. The chandeliers deepen to a warm, romantic glow, casting long shadows and making the entire hall sparkle. It's a place that transforms with the hours, offering a different mood with every visit. You feel inspired, convinced that time here slows down just enough to let you truly savor the moment. It's a place that encourages you to put your phone away, to write a postcard, to simply be present. When you finally decide to leave, the experience follows you. Step back out onto the Grand Boulevard, perhaps taking a stroll to a nearby bookshop to honor the cafe's literary soul. You'll leave with more than just a postcard or a lingering sugar buzz. You leave with a memory that tastes like perfect espresso and feels like a scene from a beautiful old film. It's a dreamy weekend, a moment of pure, unapologetic beauty, distilled into one unforgettable cup.